her son to death to better drive his demons out. She locked him underneath the stairs, saying when he's cleansed, God will let him out. Ha 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 ha. My brother spent 6 months in jail that he might better find a job. He went in for a parking fine, he came out driving for the mob. Ha 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 ha. But the only one who really laughs is the leader of the band. See him waiting in the wings with a sickle and the sand. He laughs all the way from Moscow to the Rio Grande. The Rio Grande. He watches as your bones grow brittle. He watches as little by little your mouth grow thick with spittle, to spit on a few simple dreams of your children. He watches as you grow old. He watches as the years unfold. He watches from the hall. He laughs at us all. Ha 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 ha.